How to fix common error in Amazon Prime Video. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix common error in Amazon Prime. First of all, you could go with the basic steps, that is, or you could restart the app and the device. If you want to restart the app, you want to completely close the background running app, and to restart your device, you want to hold on to your side button and click on the restart options. Now you could also, while doing this procedure, check for your internet connections. So for that, you have to go to settings onto your device, click open network and internet. Here you want to select net internet, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and disable or maybe enable it, or maybe turn on flight mode and restart your router at the same time. That might also be able to help you out. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you could also try doing other steps, that is, try checking for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So you want to go to your respective app store. On the search bar, you want to simply type in Amazon Prime Video, and when you locate Prime Video, you want to make sure to check on the update button whether you have an update or not. If the issue still persists on, then the last alternative, you could open up settings onto your device, locate apps from the list, locate Prime Video from the list, go to storage and cache and click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so you could go ahead and updated. That should be able to fix your common error in Amazon Prime Video. So these are some of the steps you could try to actually go ahead and fix your common error in Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.